Let me warn you that this video is not about educating you about monkeypox disease. I am sure that you must have got sufficient information about this disease that is caused by a virus. And this virus causes disease in various animals like rodents, rabbits, and non-human primates, monkeys, langurs, baboons, etc. But humans can get this disease from an infective animal by close contact, and subsequently human to human transmission is possible through further close contact with other humans. We also know that many important international bodies like WHO, CDC, etc. have tagged that monkeypox might not be spreading through airborne routes and only a close contact to an infected animal, human, or some article used by that human is required to get infected. Further, we know that monkeypox starts with flu-like symptoms and then leads to typical eruptions over the body, which are like blisters, which burst and then a crust is formed over them and then they heal. In some cases, it can get complicated and the person may get pneumonia, sepsis, encephalitis, and also loss of vision if eye is involved. And sometimes it causes the death of the individual too. Fine. Why this video? This information is available across the web. Many newspapers published it. Many government agencies too are spreading this information. Do I wish to repeat what is already said multiple times by so many? The answer is no. Through this video, I wish to attract your attention to one historical and biological fact. Do we know how smallpox vaccine evolved? Many would name Edward Jenner as the discoverer of the smallpox vaccine. But we fail to recognize that centuries before Edward Jenner flagged that milk-maid women used to inoculate themselves with fluid from the lesions of cows suffering from cowpox with an intention that it will prevent much dreaded disease, smallpox. This practice was widely prevalent in various parts of India and China. Local practitioners used to inoculate, rub or scratch with the material from cowpox lesions on the skin of people. Fine. We know that vaccines against a viral disease are made from the virus causing disease itself. For example, COVID-19 vaccine is made from COVID-19 virus or its components. Polio vaccine is made from polio virus itself. Measles vaccine is made from measles virus, like that. But you will be surprised to know that the smallpox vaccine, which was widely used to eradicate smallpox from the world, does not originate from smallpox virus. The form of virus present in this vaccine is called vaccinia, and with full honesty I state that no one knows the exact origin of this virus. Like who discovered it, or who for the first time thought that vaccinia virus could prevent more severe smallpox disease in humans. There are records of use of this virus to produce vaccines and to do experiments. But how this virus was first used as a candidate to combat smallpox disease is unknown. Was the initial inoculum borrowed from the local practitioners of the tradition? Possible, but no one knows for sure. Okay, without going into the investigation of its origin, let us understand there are many pox viruses. Such pox viruses of the same family have a very effective cross immunity. That is, if one gets infection with one virus type, he or she will have a very effective immunity against other pox viruses. That's why a deliberate infection of the vaccinia virus, which was done during the smallpox era, could eradicate smallpox as a disease from our world. But remember, the smallpox virus disease emergence is still a strong possibility. I will make another video explaining it further. Then logically speaking, we easily draw the following conclusions. Number one, smallpox vaccine, as it is called, but that is vaccinia virus, can easily prevent monkeypox. Smallpox vaccine program must have kept monkeypox disease under control in 70s, 80s and 90s. Number 3, since smallpox vaccine confers immunity for about 5 years, so we all are vulnerable to get pox virus disease like smallpox or monkeypox, irrespective of the fact if we got smallpox vaccine during our childhood or not. Number 4, those who got monkeypox will be resistant to smallpox, and we don't know till when.